We have a step that separates our playroom and our kitchen, so we're going to be putting up a tiny little railing. We actually had one installed here for a couple of years that we put up when our first was just learning how to walk. And now this little guy is getting to that point too. First, I'll mark the length that we need and then cut it down to size. I want to make sure that the ends are softly rounded. Most of the sanding can be done with a power sander, but I did a little hand sanding too. Next, I'll mark the location of the mounts and make an indent. The indent helps with pre-drilling on a rounded surface. I'm using a food-safe wood wax to seal it a little bit, because it's definitely going to get chewed on at some point. When turning the screws in, make sure to leave a large enough gap so that you can slide the end of the bracket in easily. 13 inches up from the floor is where I'll put the top of the bracket. That height has worked well for our older son from 1 to almost 3 years old. This bracket is right on a stud, but it's only drywall over here, so I'll need to use wall anchors. Since I left the mount loose, it can slide right over the bracket. Then just tighten that on. And here's Big Brother showing Little Brother how it's done. Oh, so cute. Can you think of a spot that a railing would make it easier for your kids too?
Who's on your butt?